about what's going to happen as far as one of the richest civic bodies in the country is concerned. Last day of the campaigning for the high voltage BMC elections, and all parties are now leaving no stone unturned as they push towards when it comes to the final lap before Mumbai votes on the 15th of January. Now, the Thackeray brothers united this time, relying on hate and racist slurs to profit in the upcoming elections. Raj Thackeray attacking Tamil Nadu BJP leader K. Annamalai with a crude slur, calling him objectionable terms as Rasmalai and questioning his right to speak on Mumbai. He's also used controversial and xenophobic slogans from the 1960s by Shiv Sena. And as far as when it comes to his brother and cousin Uddhav Thackeray, he went further. When it comes to color shaming the BJP leader, labeling him as Malai or Kalai, this seems to be the political discourse that is now being witnessed in the election season.
परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती, तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय, तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा? यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि बजाव पुंगी.
ஏங்க வேலை இல்லாம ரெண்டு பேர் சுத்திட்டு இருக்காங்க. அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆதித்ய தாக்கரே, ராஜ் தாக்கரே இவங்கெல்லாம் யாருங்க? நான் மும்பைக்கு வரத்தான் போறேன், இங்க அடிச்சு பாரு, காலை வெட்டி பாரு, அதான் ரன்லோட பாத்திரலாம். இன்னைக்கு மும்பை உலகத்தினுடைய தலைநகரம் என்று சொல்லும் பொழுது அது மராட்டியர்களால் கட்டிய நகரம் இல்லைன்னு ஆயிருமா?
Now, Raj Thackeray has warned that large-scale migration from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar threaten Maharashtra's linguistic identity, economic opportunities and political power, especially in Mumbai. He has described the civic polls as a decisive battle for the future of Marathi Manus. Now, in response, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis argued that the Thackeray brothers were fighting for their own political survival and not for the interests of the Marathi people. He asserted that it is the Thackeray's existence that is truly in danger and not that of Marathi Manus. Meanwhile, Asaduddin Owaisi, another player here in the elections, in an exclusive chat with Times Now, has declared that it is game over for the Thackeray brothers.
अरे मराठी माणसाच्या अस्तित्वाची लढाई नाहीये, तुमचं अस्तित्व पणाला लागलेलं आहे. आणि म्हणून पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो, तुम्ही म्हणजे मराठी नाही, तुम्हीच म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र नाही, तुम्ही म्हणजे मुंबई नाही. मुंबई म्हणजे ही बसलेली जनता आहे, मराठी म्हणजे ही बसलेली जनता आहे. महाराष्ट्र म्हणजे छत्रपती शिवरायांनी तयार केलेला हा महाराष्ट्र, ज्याला महाराष्ट्र धर्म समजतो, तो महाराष्ट्र आहे.
वो गया जमाना लुंगी उठाने का, वो अब कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है बात को. ये जो हिंदुत्व की आइडियोलॉजी है, उनकी नजर में जो आर्यन अपर कास्ट होता है उनको दिखता है कि वही देश का है. ओरिजिनली ये देश किसका है बोलो, अगर ऐसा हम चले जाएंगे तो ड्रेविडियंस का है, ट्राइबल्स का है. ये मौजूदा जो स्टीप्स है, ईरान है, अफ्रीका से लोग आते गए, यहां पर देश बनता गया. आप कैसा बोल रहे हैं बात को? तो ये हमको फिक्र नहीं करता. बोलो जो बोलना है. देखो, तुम्हारी डिक्शनरी में अल्फाज कम होते हैं, उनकी डिक्शनरी में तुम जितना बोल सकते हो उतना ही बोलेंगे. बोलो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Well, Rucha, good morning. When elections are due, we see that apart from when it comes to the important issues, what a civic body needs to do, that apparently gets sidelined and highly polarized, and such kind of comments that has now been done, especially with both leaders there. The Thackeray brothers making strong statements regarding Mumbai's identity, political control, and the role of outsiders in city's politics.
Well, definitely, this is an election of the civic body, the richest civic body of Asia. And all the parties are focusing either on the language war, the Marathi people, or the Hindu versus Muslim agenda. And by Thackerays, some serious comments have come out for K. Annamalai, who was campaigning for the Bharatiya Janata Party candidates in Mumbai. And while speaking with media, he said that Bombay is not part of Maharashtra. Bombay is not Maharashtra city, it is an international city. Now, his intention was to call the Mumbai city global city, but people of Maharashtra were offended by two things. One, he called Mumbai Bombay, while there was a massive fight, massive movement by Balasaheb Thackeray to change the name of Bombay city to Mumbai. People till date when they call the city Bombay, people are offended. And second thing, where he mentioned that Mumbai is not Maharashtra city, that has been taken as an offense by the Thakres. And we saw how Raj Thakre mentioned him as Rasmalai and used abusive word for him. Yesterday also, when Uddhav Thackeray was speaking, he said that if Annamalai dares to say this particular line in his own state, he will be cut into two pieces. Now we are seeing
Annamalai
some
has
serious...
responded saying that he's not afraid of the threats there, but the situation there seems to have heightened the political tensions in Maharashtra, particularly among Marathi voters, and of course when it comes to BJP's regional leadership, and of course when it comes to how much unexpected things that have happened when we view politics has happened this time in line of the civic body elections in Maharashtra. Thank you very much for the moment, Rucha, for joining in live. All right, let's shift focus.